Hello guys, this is the third video of the series. In the last video we have created this bird and the pillar, so we can continue from there. Alright, so first I will reduce these image sizes because I think it's a bit large, so I will go to the Illustrator. Alright, I have opened my Illustrator and I'm going to resize these two images. I'm going to make it bit smaller. It's always good to resize these images from the original image, because I mean even from the Unity I can scale these images, but as you can see our scale is going to be changed if we are going to scale it from Unity, because I would like to keep this scale as 1 all the time, because we have to use these scale values in the code, so it's always good to keep these images within scale 1. Okay, I will reduce this bird size of the bird, so currently it is 300, so I would say, let's say 100. Okay, 100 is a bit small. I will say, okay, let's try to get some idea from here. So let's say the bird should be in like this. That means we have to reduce it to almost 3 times, almost 3 times. So right now it is 372. Yeah, again I think we have to make it like 120 at least. Okay, then I will reduce the stroke as well, like this, and let's reduce the stroke of the eye as well, like this. Okay, now I'm going to scale the pillar as well. So pillar width is 226. I will make it 100, like this, and height I would give 750, something like this. Alright, now I'm going to re-export these two images. To do that I can go to the asset export, and I can select both images, export, so I can choose the same location. I'm going to replace. Alright, let's go to the Unity, and now they become smaller. I will make the bird scale back into 1. Alright, now I have pillars and I have my bird in the right scale. Alright, now bird can go up and down in a little bit after I apply some codes, and the pillar can move like this. Alright, now let's create some background and some flows. Okay, to create the flow I will choose a simple idea, like I'll create a flow like this, and I will make it let's say some kind of a brown color maybe. Alright, let's try something like this, or we can go with some kind of a green color, because we can consider it as a green field, like this maybe, and we can define another layer of ground like this, and we can make it like maybe like this, or bit light. Alright, and we can add some spikes to this. I mean like something like this, and I will angle it like this, so I can give it something like what if the value, if I reduce 45 from 360, or we can give 45, okay, like this, and we can invert like this. All right, then I will make it more solid like this, and so we need to create some kind of a loop. So I should start from somewhere, and the ending should be the same kind of ending. That way we can create a loop. So I will bring it to here, and then I will press what is the key, let me see. Okay, it's option in for Mac. I think that should be alt for Windows, and then I can press Control D or Command D in, for Mac. All right, and now I will drag this to somewhere around here. Okay, I will move it here, then I will move this to here. Okay, then I can use my build shape tool, and I will cut these outer parts because I don't need those parts, like this, and I will delete those parts by selecting all, like this and like this. All right, now I have a flow, and somehow I can make it a loop because it has the same kind of ending from, I mean, same kind of a loop from the starting and the ending. All right, like this. I can make this actually in white, then I can decide the color better from the Unity side. So let's export this. Okay, let's say ground, export, and this one I would say soil or something like that, soil. Okay, all right, let's go to the Unity side, and we got our images. All right, let's drag these things into the Unity. As you can see, I can't see my camera, the board of my camera, so we can make it visible by clicking this icon right here. All right, so now I can see the boundaries of my game view. Okay, I will bring my ground here, and actually the soil and the ground to here. Okay, now the pillars should be behind the soil, so I will make the order of these images. So you can go to the soil, and you can change the order to something like 5 maybe, because we will be having some other multiple layers behind the soil. That's why I gave it something like 5. I will give the same to this soil, the ground as well. Then let me adjust some things. Let's put x as 0, here also x as 0, y it's fine, I guess. So we can make a loop like this. All right, then okay, we can place a pillar like this. So these pillars should be generated from the code, but for right now let's like make it manually. So the first pillar is like this. The second pillar, I can rotate this pillar like this. Okay, on Z I would say 180. All right, like this. Okay, and the background color, I will change the background color. That means I will change the camera background color to something like this maybe. All right, and the ground, I would say okay, now we can decide a better ground color, something like this maybe. Okay, pillars, let's try to make it more darker, like this maybe. Or you can do it from the illustrator side. That's all right. Okay, something like this. Or we maybe even we can put some colors, like let me see. Okay, something like this. All right, anyway, you can change, I mean you can decide the graphic on your game with your imagination. So okay, let's focus on the functionality of the game first, then we can change our graphic. All right, now we have set up the basic graphics of the game. Now I mean, even we can add some bushes, we can add some clouds, but before adding all those elements to the game, I would like to start the coding. So this is everything that I'm going to do from this tutorial, because I want to make it a short one. From the next tutorial onwards, we will start our coding. So I will meet you from the next video. Thank you.